I've had a problem for a while with my vise where the jaws are held in by these screws, but they've actually stripped. This side's not too bad, but this side has stripped completely and the bolt folds out, and that means this jaw comes loose. So I've got to repair it. I'm fortunate that I found a 5/16 UNF helicoil kit. I borrowed a rather nice right-angled drill, and we're going to drill the hole. Dealt with very easily. Next, with the helicoil thread, I'm going to tap the hole. Being cast iron, it does thread quite easily and nicely. And once the thread is started, it will thread very easily indeed. The advantage of the right angle drill, which is what's hold the job up, means that I don't have to take the jaws apart, which is even better. Next job is to take the helicoil spring, put it onto the applicator, and screw it gently into the thread. I've had these new bolts come through. These match the thread. The existing bolts just about fit flush. The new bolt sticks out a bit too much, so I'm going to trim this on the grinder. So I've finished machining these heads so that they're reasonably flush with the surface, and now I just need to tighten them up. I may end up replacing them with slightly longer versions, so I have more thread in the actual head of the vise. But for now, I do have two jaws that are nice and tight. Another fix.